Bit of an update on the Hermes project. I've got the volume control working now, so volume control works there. Oh, the other station's a bit low. Got a bit of a mute going on here, so we can mute the volume, bring it back in when we need to. The antenna's not the greatest. This is only a 10 meter vertical, so nothing spectacular. Got a HDMI out the back for the monitor, second monitor. This guy's a little bit louder. Let's listen to this guy.
And sometimes you'll be thinking you're running a normal signal.
There's a volume. There he is.
So is that long enough to
Have a listen to this. This is the noise reduction. Oh, they just switched across the other guy. But anyway, that's noise reduction. Noise reduction 2. Have a listen to the difference. SDR radio is the only way to go. You want some serious noise reduction, have a listen to them. Noise reduction 3, noise reduction 4, got to do a little bit of work on that yet, it needs a little bit of tuning. But no noise reduction. Have a listen to noise reduction 2. Absolutely amazing. Anyway, just like I said, a quick update on where we are. And have it all together. It's all self-contained at the moment. It's operating off its own power supply. There's all sorts of bits and pieces going on. Just finished reprogramming the Adrenos for the volume control and the VFO control. VFO controls either off the mouse or you can control it off the VFO here. But I've got to slow it down a little bit. It's very touchy at the moment, so I'll have to recode it. But anyway, there's the update. Thanks very much for watching. Goodness, it's very very touchy. It's probably a little bit better with the mouse. There we go. But there we go. 10.5 inch touchscreen. She's all to close it down. You just power it off. Close down Thetis. Then just go into your Windows like you would normally and shut it down. And there you go. That's it. Thanks very much for watching. See you next update.